Hello children, welcome to Kids Worksheets. Today we will read some sight words with CH and SH sound. Let's start. F-I-S-H, fish, fish. S-H-O-P, shop. S-H-I-P, ship. S-H-E-D, shed. S-H-E-L-L, shell. W-A-S-H, wash, wash. B-E-N-C-H, bench, bench. C-H-I-P-S, chips. Come on kids. C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry, cherry. Say with me. B-E-A-C-H, beach, beach. C-H-I-L-L-Y, chili, chili. P-E-A-C-H, peach, peach. Now match a fish. F-I-S-H, where is fish? Very good, you can find. Yes, this is fish. Very good. This is peach, this is chili, and this is cherry. Now, I'll give you a matching worksheet. Match peach. Very good, this is peach, chili, and cherry. Let's revise these words. Please subscribe and like this video. Let's revise. F-I-S-H, fish, fish. S-H-O-P, shop, shop. S-H-I-P, ship, ship. S-H-E-D, shed, shed. S-H-E-L-L, shell, shell. W-A-S-H, wash, wash. B-E-N-C-H, bench, bench. C-H-I-P-S, chips, chip. C-H-E-R-R-Y, cherry, cherry. B-E-A-C-H, beach, beach. Chilly. 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 Peach. Peach. Peach.
Thank you, बच्चों. I hope you like this video. I hope this is helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe.